everyone, in What's Next Prabha. Today I am going to make peanut red pumpkin bread. This I am going to make in a pan itself, not going to use any oven. The needed ingredients: 400 grams of maida and 200 grams of roasted peanut. I just coarsely powdered it and kept 4 grams of instant yeast and just 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of powdered jaggery and little bit of half teaspoon, we can say, salt, and 100 grams of red pumpkin peas and little bit of black and white sesame seeds. The first step, I just cut the red pumpkin into small slices and I steamed it, and for few minutes. See it like this. It is. We can mash it with the hand also, and but I am going to grind in the mixie to make into a smooth paste. Then we'll see the next step. The steamed pumpkin, I made it into smooth puree. Now we are going to make the dough. I am just transferring the 400 grams of maida into one bowl and 4 grams of instant yeast and little bit of, I'm just taking little bit of salt. Just I'm giving a nice mix. Now I am transferring this slightly hot that red pumpkin puree. Make it because it is hot, so you just mix with 1 spoon like this, then spoon, and I'm going to put 20 grams of oil, that is 4 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil, or you can use olive oil also. I'm using cooking oil. Now we'll mix all together and make a smooth dough. Once I finish mixing, I will show you how it looks. I mixed it and it has become like this nice smooth dough. Now we are going to roll this into a thin chapati, like big chapati. Going to show you. First, in a clean surface, we just sprinkle little oil, just spread it nicely. I'm just going to do this. I'll just roll this. Once I finish rolling completely, I'll show you how it looks. I rolled it completely. See, it looks this much thick. Now what I'm going to do, slightly I'm going to sprinkle oil and I'm going to brush all over. First we'll sprinkle pepper powder and little salt also, and the jaggery powder. If you want, you can add this, otherwise you can skip also. And now I'm going to add this roasted peanut powder. Just spread it all around. Now what I'm going to do, like this, make a hole and I'm going to roll it this way. When I roll it completely, I'll show you how it looks. I rolled it this way. I'm going to cut into, like we can say, 2-inch pieces like this. I will show you that I'm going to take the one piece, just press it both the sides, and I'm going to press it like this, like this. I'm going to make it into neatly like this. Just pour little water in one plate, just touch and then brush it like this. Both the side like this with the sesame seeds. I'm going to keep this. First I'm going to make like this and keep, and then I'll show you next step what to do. I finished preparing all the bread like this, so I'm just going to take one. We need to do like this, and slightly you just roll with the rolling pin like this, and then I'm going to keep this in a plate. I will do the rest also like that. I finished rolling all the bread like this. I'm just going to cover this with one wet cloth. I'm going to keep this for 20 minutes for resting. Later we'll see how to cook. After resting for 20 minutes, the bread and all, it's doubled its size and it became soft also. Now see, we'll see how to cook this. See, I already preheated this pan. I kept one chapati tawa like this. On that I kept this non-sticky pan and I heated this for 10 minutes. And I'm just going to pour little oil everywhere. I'm going to place this bread like this. I'm just going to keep first 3 only. I'm going to cover this and cook for 3 minutes. It took 6 minutes to cook one side like this. In my stove, see, this like this, nice brown in color. I'm just flipping and turning into the other side, and I'm going to cook for another 3 minutes. Again, I'm going to close this and keep. See, it is cooked nicely. You can see the other side also. It is nicely cooked. So I'm just going to transfer this into another plate. I will cook the rest of the bread also in the same way. Then I will show you. Our peanut red pumpkin bread is ready. See, I got for 400 grams of flour, I got 9 numbers. So I'll just cut and show you how it looks inside. See, it looks really soft and it is slightly with nice layers and everything. It looks really nice, and actually you can do this lot of variation in this type of bread. You can make, instead of red pumpkin, you can use carrots and all the rest of the dry fruit. Instead of peanut coarse powder, you can make other dry fruits powder also. And another variation you can make with wheat flour instead of maida, and you can use what is that, cinnamon powder and apple for this sweet variation. It is really very nice way of using this method of making bread, and hope you all enjoy making this bread. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.